Hi everyone, my name is Rizelle and Galvez. I'm a VA coach, a social media strategist, a Canva certified creatives, and a graphic designer. So we are here for another playlist Wednesday VA tips. So in this segment, we will be discussing a millennial way to manage your time and tasks. So that is what we will tackling. It is my secret app that I use to manage my time and tasks daily. So we know as a virtual assistant and as a parents, we need something that we have always that we remind us what to do in our daily life. Okay, what is the usually thing that we have that we never miss? Of course, the cell phone. It is. So there is an easy way to you how you will manage time with this and with your desktop that can be synchronized anytime. So let's start. Every Gmail account, there's a Google Task. So if you have Gmail, you can just click, for example, this one. So you just need to click this one here, the task button on the right side of your monitor. And then you can just press start if you're not started any task yet. And then add the task that you want to do for today. Or I suggest that every night before you sleep, you put all the tasks already that you usually do or that you want to do by tomorrow, so you will not miss it when time comes tomorrow. So for example, this one, you do cooking every day as a parent. Before breakfast, you can just have breakfast, cooking breakfast. Okay, breakfast like that. You can set it, the details that you want. If you have a main dish already, so you can have egg and hot dog as your breakfast. You can do that. You can also do add some sub tasks here if there is. Just enter it there. But for now, I will just leave it blank. I will just add the date and time, so it will appear in your Google Calendar as well. And you know that what task you will be doing with this date, with this time. Okay, so tomorrow is February 26th. You can set time 8 a.m. Okay, just click OK. And then you can go to another tab. You can just delete it, the subtask, and then add another task for you. As you can see, there is a time here. The next one, you can put client A and then add the details that you will doing, maybe calendar management, email management, or you can actually have it here so you can check it. Calendar management, email management, then you can set the time already. Tomorrow at maybe at 9:30 a.m. you can start with that. And then you just need to check if you're already done. Just check it, then it will complete it. You can also check this one. You can also see that here in your calendar. We can make it like this one, so you can see what did you do this day. It is there actually in your calendar, so you can see all your tasks here in your calendar as well. So you just need to download the task app, the Google Task app, so you will have it also in your mobile. And anywhere that you are and you have your cell phone and you want something to do by the date comes or by tomorrow, you just need to put it there and just check it if you're done, so you know that you have a progress. So that's it for today. I hope that you learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and share this video because sharing is caring. Bye.